Your next car could be the 2019 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, four-wheel drive, heated rear seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps. Superior elegance meets world-class off-road capability in this incredible Range Rover. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.